Please, help me, help me.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Mano atrás.
Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. Señor, listen me. I'm paying everything. I'm paying everything.
Listen.
Right now, I'm paying everything right now, please.
December 3, 2024. Walmart theft suspect caught red-handed. What follows of desperate Spanish pleas, fentanyl discovery, and probation violation, all on Bodycam.
No hace falta. Okay, give me 1 minute. Please. Please.
No.
I need your help. I'm paying everything. I have money. Listen. I have the probation. Please, I need.
Stay still and stop resisting. Listen.
I need your help, please.
I'm paying everything. Señor, I have money right now. Handcuffs click as bilingual begging intensifies. The emotional chaos begins.
Money for paying everything. Please, help me.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Mano atrás.
Help me, please. Señor, help me.
Stop grabbing the handcuffs.
Baby.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your
I'm paying everything.
behind your
I'm
back.
paying everything, please. I have the money, please. Oh, I have my money here. I'm paying everything, baby. Señor, listen to me.
No.
I'm paying
You
everything.
listen to him.
Okay.
Keep your hands behind your back.
Help me. Please, listen to me.
Yeah,
I'm paying everything.
just stay still. Let him do what he got to do.
Help me.
You're making it worse.
Help me, okay? Help me. I'm paying everything, okay? Sorry. Okay, sorry. Baby, please. I don't need no problem, please.
I need to walk.
Okay, wait, baby.
Just
I'm
stay
paying
still.
everything right now.
Just stay still. Calm down. Relax.
Por favor. Señor. I'm paying everything right now. Baby, I have the probation. You don't like my problem. Please, I need you, help.
Stop! My God. Stop me.
I need your help.
Okay,
I'm
stop.
paying everything.
Calm down. We're gonna help you.
You help me.
We're gonna help you. But calm down and listen to him.
I need, please.
Stop fighting.
Please. Señor, listen me. I'm paying everything. I'm paying everything.
Listen.
Right now, I'm paying everything right now, please. Señor, please. Officer. I'm sorry too much. Officer, listen me. Officer, please. Officer.
You watch her.
Officer. Please help me. I'm paying everything right now, please. Officer, sorry. Officer.
Sit down.
Officer, sorry. Money, I'm paying everything.
Stop yelling, please.
Please. Everything, please.
Sit down!
Please, listen me. I'm paying everything. Please. Okay, listen me. I have the probation, please. I don't like my problem. I'm paying everything. I promise I have the money right now with me. Listen, officer.
Hey, we're not gonna keep talking.
Officer, I'm sorry for my attitude.
Listen. You just gotta calm down. Sit down for a second, okay?
I'm paying everything. I'm paying everything, okay? I have the money, please.
That's fine.
I have
So you
the
need to sit down for a
money.
second. I think you already had your
Listen.
chance.
I'm paying everything right now. I'm paying more. No.
If you're not gonna listen to me, I'm not gonna listen to
Okay.
you. You understand good English?
Okay, yeah, I understand everything.
Non-stop pleas. Officer, listen. I'll pay everything right now. Officers test English. You understand good English? Pure desperation captured raw. You spent 2 hours stealing in Walmart, and you're on probation. Suspect crumbles. I'm sorry for everything. Reality hits hard.
I got the money.
Okay, you got the money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop talking and listen to him.
Okay. You keep on saying that. You don't want to go to jail. So first things first, you shouldn't have came into Walmart and spend 2 hours stealing.
I'm paying everything.
No. Listen to me. You don't want to go to jail because you're on probation, right? But you come into Walmart and you spend 2 hours walking around stealing.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Well, you want me to help you? I can't help you.
Yeah,
No.
help me, please.
No.
Help me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm paying everything right now. ¿Usted español? Señor, por favor. Listen to me. I'm sorry. It was officer. Officer, sorry.
Listen, let him do his job.
Officer, sorry.
Okay, I understand. Sorry.
Listen,
It's my husband, please. It's one ask for my
that's
husband,
your husband. I
please.
thought you going to jail.
No,
I can't.
Sorry.
Let me turn off the fan.
Officer, for you. I have the money, sorry.
Stay with her, bud.
Officer.
Sit down. Siéntense.
Okay,
Stop. No.
I have the one problem, I know.
Hey, you're not listening. Sit down.
Sit
Sit
down.
down.
Señor.
Siéntese. Hágalo ahora.
Ayúdame, por favor, help me.
I can't help you.
Help me,
You
you.
keep on talking.
No, help me, please. I tell you, I'm paying everything right now. Help me. Help everything. Everything I'm paying for. Please.
Si tú no te quedas sentado ahí.
Señor, por favor. ¿Usted me puede escuchar?
You speak Spanish.
Necesito tu ayuda.
Listen,
Por favor,
listen,
ayúdame, yo te
listen.
pago todo.
Ay, Dios mío, you giving me a headache.
Ay,
Listen to me.
Dios
Stop. Right now, I'm not asking serious questions.
Great idea.
What is that white stuff that's in there?
What?
La cosa blanco, ¿qué es eso? El polvo eso. What is it? Okay, what is it? Cause look, you got me, him, and the other guy here. I need to know how serious that is. What is it? Okay, what is that white stuff? ¿Qué es eso blanco? What? For your headache?
Yes.
Tylenol for your headache?
Okay.
No, es porque yo trabajo de noche cuando quedan
Okay, crystal meth? It's not, is it fentanyl?
No lo sé.
A little bit? Maybe a little bit of fentanyl? Thank you.
Officers spot white powder. Crystal meth? Fentanyl? Suspect admits maybe a little bit. Theft case turns felony drug bust.
Señor, escúcheme.
Claiming it's crystal meth, I have a little bit of fentanyl.
¿Me puede escuchar, señor?
And I turned off the fan,
Señor, ¿me
so.
puede escuchar? Yo se lo prometo, yo le juro que con todo el dinero ahora mismo y se lo pago todo, señor, yo se lo pago todo.
I guess the pipe kind of.
Hold on. You walk around the store with your hand,
Señor, está
you
buscando.
walk a little bit, you suck on your thumb a little bit, and you kept on walking. I see
Yo
it
lo
all.
sé, mi amor. I'm sorry, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry for everything. I'm hiding money, please help me. I'm paying everything right now. Help me, please. Help me, please.
Well, with everything you done, I can't help you.
Oficial.
I'll pray for you. That's the best I can do. It's Sunday.
It's my paper.
Okay,
It's my paper. No, I don't have more.
Okay, I gotta look anyway.
Okay, no problem. You looking, but I'll tell you it's true. Okay, I don't have more. I feel with everything true. You know, I know that I have the probation, please, and my husband is alone in the country. My husband, I don't have the more money, please.
Who were you just talking to on the phone? Who's that?
What?
Who were you talking to on the phone?
Lost everything last time. Husband in country. Started 3 months in jail. Please continue but clock runs out. Arrest complete.
I need to speak with my husband, please.
Where is he at?
Yeah?
Where is he?
My husband.
¿Dónde está?
In my house. I living in the hotel for that and lost everything last time. Everything, my house, my everything. Everything. I don't have nothing right now because I have the problem. I started for 3 months in the jail. 3 months in the jail. Please, official, listen me. Only listen to me. Please.
Listen.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
I'm paying everything.
Sorry for resisting?
For everything. I'm sorry for everything. Okay? I'm paying everything right now, see? My English is not perfect, sorry.
I mean, your English is pretty good.
No, it's not here. Okay, okay.
You're not, I don't see where it says you're on
I'm paying,
probation.
I'm paying, I have the money.
No probation. I don't see probation.
I have the problem.
Like if bilingual arrests hook you. Subscribe next. Courtroom cannabis strip search. Comment. Should he have paid it off?